Hey, good day everybody. I've got this SEHMUA Lightbulb camera. These guys sent me to do an unboxing review on. This thing looks really cool. What a neat concept. Let's check it out. Really, this is everything that came in the box. That's it. If you just rotate this lens down, it gives you access to where you're going to put a mini SD card. And then this is also the reset button. So this thing operates off a Cloud Edge software. So what you're going to have to do is download the Cloud Edge app. I've got it on my phone. I've got 3 or 4 cameras that operate off that same software. You can have a whole bunch of cameras on there, but I'm going to add this one to it. And so what you're going to want to do is just scan the QR code, download the app, and then you'll register the camera. Now this Wi-Fi, just note that it doesn't take, just like the rest of these and most of these this type, it does not accept for the 5G. You're going to have to use the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal. Right there, it doesn't support 5G. So apparently the 2.4 actually will go, you get a little more distance out of it from how I understand it. And it's super easy, so you just log into the Cloud Edge app, and then you'll tap the plus icon, and what that'll do is add the camera, and then it'll recognize the camera, and then you can just add it, and then you'll be up and running. So once you already have it up and running, you add more cameras on there, it's even easier. You just pull it up, click that plus sign, and it'll add the camera. So just that initial setup just takes a little bit of time. It's super easy to do. But let's plug this thing in and see what you can stick it right in the overhead too if you have a light bulb. This is an LED, so I'd have to swap out the light fixture in order to use this. I'm gonna go ahead and use this shop light. It's got a light bulb socket. So you know you have power to the thing. It'll start turning and it makes a noise. There we go. That's how you know you got power to it. Cool. Okay, for right now, this is just gonna simulate exactly how it would be if you plugged it into the overhead. I'm just using this shop light now. So I'll go ahead and show you some camera video on what this thing can do. Alright, you can see this room was fully dark, and I just turned the light function on. I want you to be able to see how bright this light is, and this is all operated off my phone. I just pushed the light button in the Cloud Edge software, but that is a nice bright light. If someone walks in front of it, you can either turn it off or turn it on. It's up to you. But you can see the thing has, yep, and I turned it off, but it'll do motion detection too. So I get an alert on my phone now every time somebody walks in front of it. You might want to turn that off if there's a lot of action, because you'll get an alert every single time. can be nice. And here's the siren function in front of the camera. Plenty loud. Guys, I gotta tell you, thus far, out of all the cameras I've received, I like this one the best as far as it being easy to set up. I mean, it does not get any easier than this. The quality of it, the picture on it, the camera, all the functions on it, quite a bit of functions just in this one little unit here. I really like this thing. I'd like to recommend this. These guys did send this to me for free. However, I would buy something like this all day long. I'd like to have multiples of these. You can do just that. Put it all in your Cloud Edge software. Put them in every room if you have light sockets. These work great. You can also put them in a lamp too. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.